agreement we are going to do. Now, yes, is that when we are talking about collective noun, suppose 7 stars is making much noise. Okay, for that, in this case, you can see very well. What are its components? Students. Students will formulate a class. So which verb I have used? I have used singular verb. Singular verb I have used. Okay. For example, the army dash fighting. Army is, because army is again collective noun. The jury dash given its verdict. Has or have? Has. Why has? Because collective noun, when it is there, what it takes singular verb. So write down the rule. When the subject is collective noun, rule number 9, that is when subject is collective noun. Okay, it takes what it takes? It takes singular verb. Okay, what it will take? It will take singular verb. For example, the army. 1 minute. What will be the answer? Is or are? Fill it down. Is or are? The answer is. Okay. The jury. Panel of judges. Panel of judges is called jury. Has given its verdict. So what will be the answer? Has or have? It will be has. Okay. So take down the right answer. Your name is? Yours? Huh? Stand up. Anmol, stand up from there. Stand up. Go behind Samrat. Okay. Now, next rule is, suppose we are using other expressions. Verdict. Verdicts means judgment. Now see this rule. Now in case, suppose, like the words used together with, accompanied by, or in addition to is used. If there is singular subject, then singular verb is used, and if it is plural subject, then plural verb is used. Then what is used? Plural verb is used. Now see, suppose the actor in addition to So now see here. Stand up. Gaurav, tell me. Actor accompanied by his wife. The actor accompanied by his wife. Is or are? Give the answer to this. Yes, Samrat. Is. Why is Samrat? It is because of reason, because this actor is singular. If it is singular, yes. Suppose now, suppose Sanket, stand up. Now Sanket, tell me, all the answers including dash are correct. Is or are? Wrong. It will be R. Why it is R? Yes, because all the answers, this main subject is plural. Okay, if it is plural, then verb used will be plural. If it is singular, then the verb used is singular. Singular subject, singular verb. Okay. Right? Now, some subjects, sit down. Now, next I'm going to talk about rule that some subjects, they seem to be plural, but they actually are singular. Now, let me tell you. Some subjects seem to be plural, but actually are singular. But actually they are singular. Can you give me any example? And what they take? Singular. If they are singular, so then they will take singular singular verb. Suppose now see here. Gaurav, stand up from there. I told you. Stand up. You stand up. Go there. He will come here. Because he is laughing. Is very good. Yes, news. No, news one नहीं है. News plural भी news ही होता है. News are telecasting नहीं होता है. News is telecasted. With news always. Yes, it will be singular because see here, S means doesn't mean that it is plural. Okay, suppose the other example is there. The other examples, mathematics, is or are? Is. Mathematics is. Okay, so politics dash a dirty game, is or are? Is. Next, for example, politics, physics, aerobics, economics. Okay, so what it means, these so now these seem to be plural, but actually they are singular. Okay. Take singular verb. What will we take? They will take singular verb. Next rule I'm writing on board, like next, remember this, that spectacles, trousers, they will take always plural verb. They always take plural verb. What they will always take? They will take next rule, 12th rule. So now see, my spectacles dash missing, are missing. Okay, so it means will take what it will take? It will take plural verb. Next, suppose bus write down spectacles, trousers. They take plural verb. When these words are used, it means that they will take plural verb. Next, for example, these trousers is or are? Are. The answer will be are. These trousers are loose. Okay. Yes, tomorrow you will get. Okay, so these are some of the rules of subject verb agreement. Tomorrow your test week is there? No test week is there. Next week, yes. Right, so now clear all the rules? Yes, syllabus is complete. Now, let us do exercise in grammar book. We have, okay, because we have done the rules freshly. And now let us do grammar exercise. Okay, open up your grammar books. All page number 104. 104. You people will tell me side by side. The first one is given. No. 104. Page number is 104. Stand there, please. First is 5 and 3-8. Make. Because when two subjects, two nouns are joined with and, they will take plural verb. For example, Ram and Sham are good friends. Similarly, next, neither his father nor his mother approve of his subject. Approves. Okay. Revise subject verb agreement. You will find out the error. What is the mistake here? And then you have to write down the answer. Okay, so I'm giving you just sentences, and by the time I will check. So now in the second sentence, neither his friend, father nor his mother dash approves. Next, Meera dash. Meera dash with her mother goes, because whenever along with or with is there, it will take singular verb. Next, copper and zinc dash use are. Very good. The crowd dash excited. Crowd was is right. No mistake. Was is also right. Next, the students accompanied by their teachers dash is are. Are is right because students is plural. This rule we have done when together is there. If subject is singular, singular verb. If subject is plural, then it is plural verb. Right. Not one of the examinees dash got all the answers. Has right. 600 kilometers dash to distance is, remember, whenever any distance is there, for example 6 kilometers is a long distance, okay, or when some quantity is there like that, for example 5 rupees, 5 rupees or not big amount nahi bologe, is not a big amount, is with quantity what we use singular verb, what we use singular verb. Next afterwards, each of the member is right. When writing an essay, the formation of paragraphs dash very important, is very important, is very important, right? The jury dash divided in its opinion. Here, no, not right. 1 minute. If we are talking about collective noun, for example, jury, it means that jury is collective noun, then we are taking singular verb. But when jury is divided into its parts, for example, all the members of jury, okay, then how it will be? It will take plural verb. So here, jury divided in its opinions, it means it will take plural verb, are. Next, the deer as well as the zebra are. None of the staff dash where the files are. No. No, singular with singular we are using. Sorry, yes. You are getting confused. Next, when dealing with children, firmness as well as kindness is needed. When dealing with children, firmness and kindness are needed. And last one, now remember this rule that some of the names of the books, they seem to be plural, but actually which is singular? For example, Arabian Nights, Wonders of the World, okay? Fairy Tales of Shakespeare is an interesting book. So name of the book seems to be plural, but the book is singular. So here in the same manner, Arabian Nights is a book. So it is right. There is no mistake in that.